Oh, knocked the wind out of me. Stop, stop, stop. What is this? Look at how much water is up here. It's like a pond. It is so thick, you can taste it. What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Mountain High Ski Resort in California, near LA, yeah. I think. Anyways, another new resort. We were not planning on coming here, but they have night riding. I think this is their last night of night riding. They have a sick park. They're the place that built that insane volcano with the box. And so I've never heard of this place until this year when they did that. And then I was just like, dude, that place looks cool. Didn't think I was gonna come here this season. We're here, we're excited. My knee is shot. This knee right here, I haven't told you guys, is hurting me so bad. And we're still gonna send it. The crew's heavy tonight too. We got my brother Ben, we got Rug, and then we got Jeremy, aka Pop Tart, who followed us from Bear. He was with us at Bear, so if you missed that video, check it out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and enough talking, let's shred. This is that volcano box I was talking about. Look at this thing. It's like, I really wish that was up. I want to hit it. I wanted to hit that so bad. You guys have to see this. Look at how much water is up here. It's like a pond. If you guys didn't know, I premiere every single one of my YouTube videos. You can jump on when it's premiering and talk to me in the chat. It's so sick. This park is sick, by the way. Some of the features though are like, you gotta jump to get onto them. All right guys, so when I was doing the premiere, I let my brother borrow the camera and this happened. Good? All right. Back at it. Premiere's over. This park is fun.
There's 95%.
You just gotta watch out for the puddles. Before we get into this night session though, or late day session, we do gotta mention today's sticker shout out. We got Tyler Lurson with the Colorado sticker on this board, as well as the Roman Evolution sticker, the Lego sticker, guys. If you snag that one, it's Roman sticker. 100% of those proceeds go to his college fund. So thank you to everyone that has snagged a Roman sticker. As well as we got Seven Smith Kevin with the white sticker on the name and the catchy name. Thank you so much, dude, for snagging an Evolution sticker. Guys, if you want a sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. If you do snag any of them, you're not only supporting the dream, but make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, as well as follow my Instagram for bonus extra content, as well as you know that I'm at Mount High snowboarding, and if you're at Mount High, you'll be like, yo, there's Buckhouse, and you can come riff with me, and it'll be a super sick time. So follow my Instagram, know where I'm shredding, get bonus extra content. Yeah, follow the Instagram. And I've said this a bunch, but I couldn't do these trips without you guys supporting the channel or just snowboard for a living. So thank you so much for everyone that has snagged merch. All right, here we go. Enough talking. Let's send it. Stop, stop, stop. I just got rocked. Oh. You ran into me.
I didn't.
You just snowboarded me in the face. Dude, that sucked. Oh. Knocked the wind out of me. Yeah, so I was gonna 360 out of that, and I thought like, oh, I'll just start pre-winding my upper body, get this done super simple. And then I just went too heavy on my heel edge and then just fell all to my back, and that knuckle, because there is a knuckle on that drop off, that cannon. Brutal. Just knocked the wind out of me. But it was like, kablah! So at Bear and out here, I've never heard more people have speakers blaring while snowboarding. It's like, in Colorado, it's super frowned upon because most people don't want to hear other people's music, but out here, everybody's blaring their music out loud. What is this? So it's always funny. What I'm seeing versus what the GoPro's seeing is totally different. I can't see the next chairlift in front of me, but through the GoPro, oh no, we can't see the chairlift in front of us either. This is gnarly. I mean, I know we bought night riding tickets, but like, come on. This might be the creepiest chairlift ride yet. It is so thick, you can taste it. Like, you ever be like in a mister at an amusement park and like spraying into your, yeah. You can taste it. All right, so due to gnarly conditions rolling in, and then we have a 3-hour drive to the Vegas area, we're gonna go ride Lee's Canyon tomorrow, and we rode Bear this morning. So Ben and Rug are super tired, and I gotta have them help film the next day, and they don't snowboard every day like me, so I gotta respect their legs and everything. So this one's gonna be Chipmunk. This place is sick. I couldn't imagine coming and riding here mid-season. I'm sure they built an insane park. It doesn't feel like they have a park crew though. Like, they built the features during the day and then they haven't touched the lips since then. They're pretty, like the Ollions are nuts. Some of the lips are falling apart. Anyways, this is a sick place. I'm having a ton of fun. All right, let's ride through the fog and let's get out of here. Way better down here. That's crazy. It's like super sunny there. Super eerie here. All right, that's it. That's all Mountain High. You were sick. You didn't even technically ride you at night. But we got close with that fog. It's definitely obviously close to the end of season too. So it's super sloppy and I don't want to step in this. Oh. Just keep scooting. Oh. Jeremy was stick ripping?
Yes, sir.
Stick 10? Copyrighted music. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. It helps out the video so much. The more likes the video gets, the more people will see it. Obviously, we want people to see this video. We put all the time and effort into it. Spend a bunch of money to be here. I hooked the boys up with passes for coming out and filming. So. Rug's been driving, so I try to help out as much as I possibly can. The only nice thing about a 3-hour drive is I get to sleep on the way back to the hotel. So most of my sleeping will be done in the car. Get to the hotel, I'll edit tomorrow's video, which is the bear one, which if you missed that one, check it out, it's right here. It was like our last day at Bear. It was super sick. We were sessioning some jumps. It was like crazy foggy in the beginning, kind of like that in the beginning of the day. It was super sick. That slam I had though, I knew it too. I was like, oh, I feel good after. It's because my adrenaline like immediately spiked. And now that it's like kind of wearing down, I'm like, I'm gonna be feeling that one. So I have to go to the chiropractor or something. I haven't backslapped like that in a while. That was like not spring soft conditions. That hurt. That felt like straight ice landing. I did make sure to get my Mountain High pin though. If you didn't know, I get a pin at every single ski resort, and I also have an Evolution pin. If you want one, that's linked in the description. So if you collect pins or you want a cool hat pin, anything like that, once again, that pin is in the description. And then if you want to see where I've gone snowboarding, see if I've gone to your ski resort or if I need to go to your ski resort and everything like that, check out the ski resort map that's linked in the description. Our buddy Kenny Shelnut made it. But the map is a map of the United States, has every ski resort on it. All the green ones we've gone to, if you click them, it shows you the video from that mountain. You can watch it and then go check out another one, anything like that. It's really cool. You'd be blown away at how many ski resorts are in the US. 464 of them, and we will ride them all. A lot of these double days like we just did today. All right, Team guys, enough rambling, enough talking. Thank you so much for staying with us today. Make sure you join us tomorrow for Lee's Canyon. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.